Rivers Day is celebrated across BC, and the Township of Langley is one community that is committed to celebrating it for over 3 decades.
The township is home to over 500 kilometers of waterways and another 900 kilometers of streamside areas like ditches and agricultural waterways. Ultimately, the goal is to protect our streams and our creeks and all of our tributaries like the ones behind us so that we have good water quality and good wildlife habitat, and we're respecting the riparian zones of the rivers so we have good water health.
The event also kicked off 3 weeks of educational programming by the Township and the Langley Environmental Partners Society.
With the increase in population and densification of our area, we really want to give everyone an opportunity to learn about our waterways and how to better take care of them and just how sensitive and fragile they are.
Rock climbing, games, crafts, and experiential learning were in high demand.
Here at Rivers Day, we've got lots of fun activities for them. You can come and look at the bug tubs to look at the invertebrates that we've collected from the water today. Just by looking at the water bugs that you might dismiss every day or never notice before, that's going to let you know if the water is healthy or not.
Langley's Rivers Day also highlighted the world's first northern spotted owl breeding program. Barred owls like Forrest are from the same genus as the northern spotted, but are a direct threat to the survival of this iconic species.
Forest is one of the reasons of the decline in spotted owl in British Columbia. So we have habitat loss, habitat fragmentation, and also competition with the barred owl. So basically at our facility we have a small population of northern spotted owls. We have produced quite a few young, but we're waiting till we have 10 breeding pairs in our center for breeding until we release these guys.
Ecological interdependence is a key theme to Rivers Day. This principle plays out in the Township of Langley, where 50% of its drinking water is supplied by groundwater sources.
Because all of our waterways are connected, whether it's a creek or a stream or a tributary, everything eventually is tied into the aquifers that we use for our drinking water. It's important that everybody's learning how to best take care and everybody's figuring out the best ways to treat developing areas and how to minimize the impact of runoff, because we are all interconnected ultimately.